Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a bag unboxing for you guys from Louis Vuitton, and I'm really excited about this one because it is a print in a bag that I didn't really think that I would get at all. It's not even like in the realms of like what I have in my collection or what I want in my collection. I just thought it was like, okay, it'd be nice to just kind of have. If you're interested in what kind of bag that I got from Louis Vuitton, definitely keep on watching this video. Hi, my name is Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel, so if you like that kind of content, definitely please subscribe to this channel, press the notification button, and also press the like button, because if you press one thing, might as well press the other. So let's get right into this unboxing right now, because again, like I said, it's a bag that I didn't think I would get, but also a print that I don't have in my collection. So let's get into it. So, taking off the ribbon. Ooh, okay. So, and then here's the bag. Just a little folded up, but it's fine. If you guys can see, you guys can probably guess what it is. It's not what you think it is, but like size-wise, you would think it would be something popular. But anyways, if you guys can see, it is in the Damier Azur print. You guys would think it would be a keep all, but it's not a keep all. It is actually the all-in bag on the size MM. So pretty much it is like a travel bag, but I just thought it would be a nice bag to have just to kind of go on trips on, and then just kind of like fold this up, which I kind of was like, which is the reason why I decided to get it, where you can fold it up and not have to like worry about it. Like I could do this and like I could just take like, I don't know, a Birkin or whatever, or a Kelly or whatever, and then, I don't know, like maybe just like shove the all inside. Okay, maybe there's a little finessing that I need to do, but I don't know, that's what I was thinking. And hold on, let me get my Kelly back together, because okay, maybe not my Hermes Kelly bag, but I don't know, just folding it and just putting in your luggage or whatever, or if you have like a keep all, you can just shove it in, and then like if you just buy like extra things from your trip or whatever, you take it out and be like bam, 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 I can put stuff in here. So it is a pretty spacious bag. It's the size of like an never full, but the great thing about this bag, it has a zipper, or this can be like a great carry-on kind of bag as well. Didn't say that, but definitely could be that as well. But and then the bottom just kind of like opens up to a bigger, you can like literally just shove a lot of stuff in here, and then like the base is like that, so it opens like that. And then it's literally almost the size of like a never full, but then you have thicker straps, and then you have an additional luggage tag. And then you have the inside, which is pretty basic. It's pretty much a empty hole at the moment, but you can just definitely put like a lot of stuff, like a lot of clothes or a lot of like extra things that you might need, or like again, if you're on a trip and you need to like bring something back, or you just don't have enough room for your luggages and stuff like that, you can definitely like, again, fold this and shove it into your luggages or whatever, because it's not going to take a lot of space. And then it also has a little back pocket right there as well, so, and it has a zipper, and you can pretty much put like your, I don't know, your like important stuff in here, like your wallets or like your passport or whatever, so it doesn't get lost in this big giant hole. Just like this. Ooh. chair's in the way, but like, don't have anything in this print, in the Damier Azur print. I love that it comes with a luggage tag because it is like a travel piece that normally people would use this bag for. Maybe there is people who use it on a daily basis kind of thing. And then it has the vachetta leather going on as the straps, which are a lot thicker, and it's pretty much like a never fall, but it's just has more like protection because of like the zipper, and it's a little more flat because it's folded at the bottom. And yeah, those are like probably like the differences of a never fall and this all-in that I have. So I'm excited about this one. She's cute. So hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video and have a wonderful day, because you're wonderful and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.